Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to English Atmosphere with me, Misuci. Okay, today's topic we are going to learn about cause and effect, atau kita bisa sebut dengan sebab dan akibat. Let's continue. First, cause atau kita sebut sebab. Let's see the reason for an action or event, why something happens. Cause is the first thing that happens. Jadi sebab ini adalah alasan dari sebuah action atau kejadian. Why something happens? Kenapa sesuatu terjadi? Gitu ya. Cause is the first thing that happens. Jadi cause ini ada sebab ini adalah hal yang pertama kali terjadi. Okay, let's continue. This is clue words for cause. Jadi di sini ada kata kunci dari cause. Ada because, since, cause, reason, so that, unless, the main reason. Nah, itu adalah contoh clue atau petunjuk dari kata sebab. Let's see the example. Because I'm all bandaged up because of my fall. Aku diperban karena aku terjatuh, gitu ya. Sebabnya karena terjatuh sehingga diperban, gitu kan. And then since the meeting was postponed, since the resource speaker was absent. The meeting telah ditunda karena narasumbernya juga tidak hadir, gitu kan. Nah, itu ada sebab akibatnya. Kemudian ada due to the red tape, many ordinances are not implemented on time. Ya, karena birokrasi, banyak kebijakan yang tidak diimplementasikan tepat waktu, gitu ya. Jadi due to itu biasanya di depan, kemudian since atau because of itu di tengah, seperti itu. And the next is effect. Effect, the result of what happened, what that has occurred as a result. Effect is the second thing that happens. Jadi effect ini adalah hasil dari apa yang terjadi. Dan what that has occurred as a result. Jadi apa sih yang sudah terjadi hasilnya, gitu kan. Dan effect ini biasanya the second thing, hal yang kedua yang terjadi setelah cause, sebab. And for the clue words for effect, jadi ada kata-kata petunjuk dari effect. As a result of, if, consequently, effect, therefore, and thus, gitu ya. Jadi ini adalah kata-kata penyambung ketika kita ingin membuat kalimat effect atau akibat. Let's see the example of effect. Ya, ini contoh dari akibat. Example-nya ada therefore and consequently. As you can see, di sini ada contoh kalimatnya therefore. A specialist helped put up the cooperative there, therefore it succeeded. Ya, jadi seorang spesial membantu membangun koperasi sehingga sukses, gitu ya. And consequently, the protesters turned violent. Consequently, they were hurt. Ya, pengunjuk rasa bersikap kasar, akibatnya mereka terluka. Nah, di sini ya, kalian bisa lihat ada sebab dan akibatnya. Sebabnya itu pengunjuk rasa bersikap kasar. Sebabnya akibatnya apa? Akibatnya mereka terluka. Okay, let's do the exercise. Okay, let's see the exercise number 1. Carlos Palomino was a champion boxer. Yet he gave up boxing and earned a degree in recreation. He chose this field because he wanted to work with kids. Not everyone can become a paid athlete, he says. That's why school is so important for all young people. Carlos hopes his example will help others set high goals in education as well in sport. Nah, di sini kita lihat, why did Carlos get the degree in recreation? Nah, di sini ada why, berarti menanyakan a cause, sebab. And the answer is B. He wanted to work with kids. Dan jawabannya adalah dia ingin bekerja dengan anak-anak, gitu. Itu sebabnya. Seperti itu. Okay, the next exercise. Marcia was a skilled and capable driver. She had driven all the way from New Mexico in her brand new car without any problems. Suddenly, because she hit a long patch of frozen ice, she lost control and the car ended up in a ditch. As they climbed out, she realized that the car was demolished. And the question is, what was the cause of Marcia's accident? Apa sih penyebab accidentnya gitu, accident Maria? And the answer is B. The road was icy ya. Jadi di sini sebabnya adalah jalanannya beres gitu ya, sehingga menyebabkan Maria kecelakaan. Okay, the last exercise. The crime rate in Mr. Lyon's neighborhood was very high. Many houses had been robbed and cars vandalized. All the neighbors were upset. The mayor ordered the police to patrol the neighborhood. Within 2 weeks, the neighborhood's crime rate dropped drastically. Finally, everyone felt safe again. And the question is, why did the crime rate drop? Ya, pertanyaannya mengapa? Why did the crime rate drop? Gitu ya. Why? Berarti asking about the reason, ya, asking about the cause. And the answer is C. The mayor called for added police protection. Okay, I think that's it enough for today. Thank you for your attention and see you again for the next video. Bye bye.